Hi everyone, my name is Akash and welcome to PySpark Learning Hub. In this video, we will be solving an PySpark problem. I will be demonstrating my approach or my way of solving PySpark problem. Any PySpark problem solving process typically involves few important steps. Step 1, understanding and discussing the problem. Step 2, identifying the input data and expected output. Step 3, writing the PySpark code to solve the problem. Alright, let's see today's problem statement. The problem statement is page with no likes. So we have to write a code to return the IDs of Facebook pages that have 0 likes. The output should be sorted in ascending order based on page ID. So basically what we have to do is we have to identify those Facebook pages which has 0 like. Okay. So and the output should be sorted in ascending order based on page ID. Okay. So we have to order it by page ID in ascending order. So this is also a easy problem. That's why I've kept the difficulty level as easy. I will be sharing the schema and data with you so that you will be able to create the data frame easily. Let's say the step 2, identifying the input data and expected output. Now, if you see, we have two data frames here. One is page, second is page likes. Okay. Now, if you see, the common between these two data frame is page ID. And what we have to identify is those page ID which has 0 likes. Okay. So what we have to do here in this case is we have to do a left join and bring those data which are not matching between pages and pages like. Okay. When you that means when you do left anti. Okay. If you remember, we have in one of the video we have done the left anti join. Okay. So non-matching record from the left table we want. That means it has 0 likes. Okay. So basically this is a simple problem, just a join statement, and you type of join is very important here. Okay. Left anti. This I think left anti is not there in SQL, but we have it in PySpark. So I hope you have understood the problem statement and you have got what is the input and what is the expected output, and also I have given you hint what you have to do it. So before starting step 3, I want you all to pause this video and try to solve it. If you did not get the solution also, it is fine, but it is important to give a try. Remember, practice is the only way to learn PySpark, right? So let's go to our Jupyter notebook. I've already created a Spark session. Let me paste the data in the schema for page and you likes. Okay. So let's now create the data frame. Okay. One is page df. Okay. And we will use spark dot create data frame. Okay. And in argument we give page data and page schema, right? And let's create page like df spark dot create data frame, and in argument we give pages like data and pages like schema, right? Let's try to print the page df with the help of show function. The same way we will print page like dot df dot show. Let's execute this statement. Okay, invalid. Okay, I've given the dot here. There you go. Now we have two data frame. Now what we have to perform is perform a join condition here. Okay. Now I have repeated multiple times. How do we do join in Spark? Basically what we do is we take one df, we do join function, and in argument we have three argument here. The second df Okay, the join condition and type of join, isn't it right? So let's see what is the second df. The second df is page like df. Okay, and the join condition what we have is page id, right? So the join condition is page id dot page id. Okay, should be equal to page df, right? I hope you are following me. And what type of join? Okay, the type of join is left anti. Okay, when you do left anti, you will get all the records from the left table which are not matching, right? So let's see whether we are getting the expected output or not. So there you go. If you see page 2071, 20701 is the expected output. Now instead of the page name, we want only page ID. So with the help of select statement, let's retrieve the page ID dot show. There you go. Now we have achieved the expected output. Let's make a bit formatting. In previous video also, in one of video I've shown you how we usually do the formatting in PySpark. Let's save it in a final df is equal to, okay, let me format this and try to print the final df dot show. There you go. We have achieved the expected output. So this is how you have to solve any PySpark problem. Remember the steps which I have explained in this video. Try to apply the same approach to solve any PySpark problem. Remember, practice is the only way to learn PySpark. Tell us how you have solved this problem in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others on their PySpark journey. The more you practice, the better you become. So keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.